If you're trying to lose weight faster and boost your metabolism naturally, then this drink is for you. Packed with fat-burning ingredients, this metabolism-boosting drink helps you burn calories, improve digestion, and keep your energy levels high. The best part? It's easy to make and tastes great. Science has proven that certain ingredients can speed up metabolism, helping your body burn more fat even when you're at rest. So, let's dive in and make this metabolism-boosting drink that you can enjoy every morning. Before we make the drink, let's quickly talk about the ingredients and why they work. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemon helps detoxify the liver, which is crucial for fat metabolism. Green tea, loaded with catechins, green tea boosts metabolism and promotes fat oxidation. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV supports digestion, regulates blood sugar, and helps control appetite. Ginger, a natural thermogenic that increases body heat and enhances calorie burning. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which stimulates fat burning and suppresses appetite. Honey, optional, a natural sweetener with antioxidants that also supports digestion. Now, let's put it all together. This drink is quick and easy to make. Step 1. Boil 1 cup of water and steep 1 green tea bag for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Step 3. Squeeze half a lemon into the tea. Step 4. Grate half an inch of fresh ginger, or use half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Step 5. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a metabolism kick. Step 6. Optional. Add half a teaspoon of honey for taste. Step 7. Stir well and enjoy warm. When should you drink this for the best results? Best timing: morning on an empty stomach, boosts metabolism for the day. Before meals, helps with digestion and appetite control. Before workouts, gives a natural energy boost and enhances fat burn. This drink works by increasing thermogenesis, which is your body's way of generating heat and burning calories. The combination of green tea, ginger, and cayenne naturally increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn more fat without extra effort. To maximize your weight loss results, combine this drink with these simple habits. Stay hydrated, drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Exercise regularly. A mix of cardio and strength training works best. Eat clean, focus on whole foods, lean protein, and healthy fats. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep slows down metabolism. And that's it. This metabolism-boosting drink is one of the easiest and most effective ways to support your weight loss journey. Try it for 7 days and let me know in the comments how you feel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weight loss and health tips. See you in the next video.